Hey guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Today we are back out on Lake Ontario. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out here, so we're gonna go do a quick little rip around the Toronto area. So I think I want to go into the Toronto Harbour, and we never really explored through the back channels of the Toronto Island, so maybe a little bit of that today. So I hope you come along with us. Hope you have a great time, and let's get to it. So that right over there is BMO Field, home of the champion TFC, and we're going to try and get into Ontario Place's Marina here. See how close we can get to the Budweiser Stage and underneath the Sinister Deer and all that stuff. So. Geez, I should just bring my Sea-Doo here whenever there's a concert. Just pull up right around here and throw the anchor in, and at least you could hear the music at least. Free music. Like, that's the actual... You can even see the seats right there. I'm probably closer than anyone that would be back there. Now they can all see it. Look at these boats in here. Dang. Some nice boats. Boat ramp. Well, we've come as far as we can come in this little harbor here, so I think we're gonna head back and get back out on the lake and see if we can get into the main Toronto harbor now. So this right here that you see, it looks like a giant golf ball, is known as the Sinister Deer. It's one of the first IMAX theaters ever. I mean, I think they still show some things here, but I wouldn't, don't quote me on that. But yeah, that's the Sinister Deer, one of the first IMAX movie theaters, also known as the golf ball. All right. We're chasing some geese here, so let's get out of here and start going along a little further. See what we get up to. All right, boys. All right, boys. All right, we're coming. Alright guys, so we're just making it in through the channel into the inner harbor of Toronto. So we're just going past the airport, which is right here. So Porter Airlines run into that, and you may have seen crossing the ferry. That's the ferry that runs between the islands to bring people over in their cars. There is a tunnel. There's a tunnel that goes underwater and comes up in the tower right there. Whoops, right there. For pedestrians that want to walk across, but if you gotta take your car over, like the ones that are there, you do it on the ferry. But otherwise, we're starting to get to see the beautiful skyline of Toronto. guys, you might see these buoys out here. Because there's a fully functioning airport right there, is you're not allowed in this water space. So they've got it cordoned off with these keep out buoys and stuff, because this is right where planes would be landing. And I can tell you from experience, I've seen if someone goes through there, oh buddy, they got cops out there. There's a loudspeaker system at the airport that just starts blaring, and yeah, it's not a good thing. So you stay out of that little area there, and you're good to go. All right guys, so we're gonna make our way into the beginning of the Toronto Island here, and it should take us through, I think we come out somewhere way over there. So let's just go explore it and see what we get to, okay? So guys, this is Hanlon's Point mooring area. So this whole stretch along here, you can moor your boat up to. There is a little shed back there where you pay your fees and everything like that. So yeah, we have a nice little area. I'm not sure if those yellow boxes are shore power or not, but yeah, it is what it is. Guys, this is the Gibraltar Point Lighthouse. It is the oldest lighthouse on the Great Lakes. It was built in 1808 and started working in 1809 and went as long as I believe like into the 1950s. But yeah, that is the oldest lighthouse on the Great Lakes and also one of the oldest buildings in all of Toronto. So, a little bit of history for you. Now, obviously, it is not used and slightly replaced by that big tower over there. Pretty cool, though, to see the history of it. You know, like something from 1808 and 1809. That's just nuts. So, still got a little bit of history kicking around here. So, all right, let's keep going and see what we can get. Also, not creepy at all, but a completely dead tree full of cormorants. It's so spooky. Well, oh, that one just dropped a deuce. Good job, buddy. Good thing we weren't under there. Jeez. We've been going past here, and all this back in here is the Royal Canadian Yacht Club. So just absolutely tons upon tons of sailboats. Some are still getting worked on, all these things. But yeah, look at all these beautiful boats. Now, do we go straight or do we go left? Straight gets us. Come on, the duck on this one. Maybe we should have gone left. Okay, we gotta slow here. Oh my gosh. Okay, keep going, keep going. But we made it. Now we're in some true back channels right now. Absolutely beautiful. Kind of weird to think that there's a huge city of like 2 to 3 million people just right there. And this is where you're hanging out. It's not bad. Oh god. Oh no, okay. Got another bridge. This one doesn't look as bad. I think we can handle it. Baby swans. Oh, these guys are giving me the bump. Look at that. Oh, so cute. They even have a fire station on the island. It's got to be a kind of sweet gig as a fireman. Well guys, that's us cutting through the island there. Pretty cool to see, nice calm place to go. So we're gonna, what am I gonna do? I might explore over on the Portlands there for a little bit. Maybe get out around to the other side of the island on the Lake Ontario side and just see where we get to from there. So let's keep moving before this ferry starts coming back our way. He's right there. Holy crap, boys. Alright guys, well I think we just found an upset, turned over, crashed, abandoned boat. Something happened to this bad boy. This boat has seen better days. But at least it looks like they've already salvaged it because is the engine on? Yeah, they've already removed the propeller and the engine and stuff, so at least it's not an slightly environmental hazard. And they've got a rope to it tied up to the shore, so I'm sure it'll be salvaged. But that one's seen better days. Well guys, we made landfall. I'll take a quick little break, have a little something to drink and stuff like that. But the wind's starting to pick up out of east here and it's getting a tad bit choppy. And we've been out for a good rip, so I think this is good enough for today. We'll save going over to the bluffs and a little further east for another video. And like I said, I plan to go down to like Hamilton, check that area all out. We've got some people I want to go riding with, so looking forward to that. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna have a little something to eat here, a little drink, and then we're gonna call it a day and make our way back to the boat ramp. What's crazy about this is they usually, all these islands, well not all of them, but these ones over on the east side of Toronto, were all created by landfill. from construction when they were redoing the whole city and stuff. So basically all this stuff is all old concrete and things, and then what they did is they just layered dirt over top of it, turned it into an island. But this has been all eroded away, so you can see what's here. But like, look at all the rebar and everything like that, man. It is crazy. Anyway guys, that's about it for this one. So thanks so much for coming along with us. I hope you had a great time exploring the Toronto Islands there and just the harbor again. Like I said, we're going to have more and more things happening over the summer, so keep checking back and checking in. Thanks so much for hitting the like button. Please hit that subscribe button so I know you guys are out there. It means the world to me. I love hearing from you guys with all the comments and stuff like that, so that's great as well. I appreciate those. Just keep them all coming. Keep hitting those buttons. Keep enjoying these adventures, and we'll just enjoy this summer for what we can. Anyways guys, until the next one, be safe out on the water. Have a great time. Peace.